before there's safety and comfort in here. Things need to be safe out here. Mobile access equipment is quickly becoming the standard in aircraft maintenance. But when one operator mistake can cost hundreds of thousands in damages and repair costs, there is no room for error. Maintenance engineers need to be tested and prepared for the challenges of operating near an aircraft well before they step onto a lift. But that creates a question. How can crews get hands-on experience if they're not on the job? The answer is virtual. Introducing seriouslabs Airline modules for the MEWP VR simulator. Our in-depth training offers industry-focused scenarios that test platform positioning and placement near an aircraft's outer surface. The MEWP training is easy to set up and run. And better yet, it provides realistic hands-on experience, helping to reduce lost revenue due to damaged aircraft. And with our data-driven reporting, you'll know exactly when an operator has reached their expected proficiency and safety level to be on the job. Any mistake has the potential to be catastrophic to business operations. Maintenance engineers in the airline industry need to have the skill set to safely position their lifts in precise and complex ways every single day. seriouslabs Airline module puts the MEWP VR simulator at the forefront of assessment and remediation of lift operators. We've created 23 task-based scenarios for operating around an aircraft. The simulator will identify skill gaps and help build confidence at no risk to aircraft equipment. Through the scenarios, operators will learn best practices for keeping themselves, other workers, and the aircraft safe. Avoid costly downtime. With the addition of our new Airline module, the MEWP VR simulator is ready to take your operators to the next level today. seriouslabs, getting workers home safely, every single day.